Hello everyone. Yeah, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techstar. So today I'm bringing you something special. So today I'll be telling you how you can make your phone function faster than usual by just using a simple setting. Yeah, it is true. You can make your phone run faster, function faster, and increase the general speed of your system by just by just using a simple setting like I'm going to show you. It is very simple. Alright, so the settings for today is very simple. You're going to change some simple thing in your system, and then you'll have your phone run faster in everything, be it internet, daily, normal usage, etc. Alright, so let's begin. So basically here what we're going to do is you come to settings, you go to settings and you move down. You're saying system. Yes, system. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to use developer options, but just in case your developer options are not activated, you don't worry, you can show you this. So if you have not activated your developer options, simple, you just come to about phone and then you move down. You're seeing what is builder number here. Yes, you tap on it, 9 consecutive times until it asks for a password. So you just put your password. Yeah, you'll have opened your developer options. So you just come back and just come back, open settings, and then you move to system, and then you see developer options. Look down, you can see developer options. You open developer options, it's already turned on. So you move down, move down. Alright, so I'm here. So are you seeing here where you're seeing window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animated duration scale? Yeah, so this is where the trick is. So what we do is we turn it off. Yes, to make your phone faster is you turn the animation scales all off. Let me show you something. Are you seeing these animation scales? The higher you put, okay, the higher the animation scale, the slower the phone. So meaning the maximum we can optimize our phone is by turning it off. Yes, just in case you choose animation scale of 10 times, your phone will be too slow. So don't make that mistake. So what we do is here, to make your phone faster, just tap animation scale off. Usually when the phones come, they usually come with animation scale 1. Yes, most phones come with animation scale 1 or 0.5. Yeah. So what we do is you come and then turn the animation scale off. When the animation scale, turn it off. Transition animation scale, turn it off. And the animation duration scale, you also turn it off. By doing that, your phone, you'll have improved the speed of your phone, the speed of your system. You try it, you'll also observe it. So that's the trick, basically that. So that's a simple trick. Just open developer options, move down, come to window animation scale, turn it off, transition animation scale, turn it off, and then animated duration scale, turn it off. That's all. Just go back, that's all. Now you can enjoy using your phone. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Star Tech. You like the video and then you turn on notifications so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. Alright, so thank you so much. Stay tuned.